When crisis strikes, how long do you think it takes for relief workers to reach people in need? After the Nepal earthquake in 2015, it took volunteers only 2 days to map out where food and supplies were needed. But it's not as easy as just telling relief workers where they're needed. They also have to know how to get there. That's where crisis mapping comes in. During times of crisis, people known as digital humanitarians collect 2 different types of data. The first type of data they collect is data they can see. This type of data includes photographs from satellites up in space, or photographs from remote-controlled cameras that can fly closer to the scene than satellites. The second type of data they collect comes from social media, or through text messages. Some digital humanitarians called crisis mappers analyze this data. For example, they can use satellite imagery to see which roads are clear for travel. They then put this information on a map. But satellite imagery and photographs can only show crisis mappers so much. They also need to get information from people who are there. In times of disaster, radio and television are used to share information with the public. But they can also be used to ask the public for more information. People who hear or see these messages are encouraged to post information on social media or send text messages to volunteers. People at the scene might post a photo of a fallen bridge, or direct crisis mappers to where someone is trapped. Relief workers then use crisis maps to better understand the situation. As relief workers are helping people in need, crisis mappers keep updating the map with current information. How can you help? Crisis mapping may seem complicated, but the same type of technology is used for other things people do every day. You use the same technology when communicating with your friends. If you know how to post a picture or send a text message, you too can become a digital humanitarian. You can help organize information or tag photos. A quick search online will provide a list of organizations that can use your help.